April is World Landscape Architecture Month, and today we're stepping into a day in the life, right here at Ontario Sports Empire.
Most people think landscape architecture starts with plants, but out here it starts with something much bigger. Every day we're solving problems in real time, working with engineers, contractors, and crews to bring the vision to life.
On any given day, that means coordinating with 28 prime contractors and over 300 workers out here on the site. On a project this size with over 30 premier sports fields, it takes a lot of material to bring it all together. Over 300,000 cubic yards of import soil, more than 2 million square feet of synthetic turf, along with 2,495 trees, 63 shade structures, and over 2 miles of fencing across the site. All of it coming together to create a next-generation sports complex built for performance, durability, and year-round play. And then there are all the details that shape the experience. With 63,000 square feet of playground space, over 7,500 spectator seats, and a 7,700 square foot LED screen that'll anchor the main venue, OSC becomes a destination facility for stay-all-day family fun. But beyond the numbers, it really comes down to all the people out here every day. We're out here making sure that every detail works, not just on paper, but in the field. Because one day, this won't be a construction site, it'll be a place where people come to play, compete, and connect. And being a part of that transformation and seeing it evolve day by day, that's what a day in the life of a landscape architect is all about.
Happy World Landscape Architecture Month from Ontario Sports Empire!